Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Shaik Babji. In this session, we are going to learn the phrase how long, the usage of how long. Now let's see how we can use this phrase. How long phrase is used to ask questions about amounts or periods of time. Once again, how long phrase is used to ask questions about amounts or periods of time. Here I have given some sentences. Let's see what they are. The first one is, how long have you been learning English grammar? I repeat, how long have you been learning English grammar? Now let's see the second one. How long has she been following you? I repeat, how long has she been following you? Now let's see the third one. How long have they been living in this house? I repeat, how long have they been living in this house? Now the fourth one is, how long have they been running this business? I repeat, how long have they been running this business? Now the fifth one, how long has she been working in this office? I repeat, how long has she been working in this office? Now let's see the sixth one. How long has she been writing this exam? I repeat, how long has she been writing this exam? Now let's see the seventh one. The seventh one is, how long have they been playing in this ground? I repeat, how long have they been playing in this ground? Now let's see the eighth one. The eighth sentence is, how long has Junaid been watching the movie? I repeat, how long has Junaid been watching the movie? Now let's see the ninth one. The ninth one is, how long has Vani been earning money? How long, I repeat, how long has Vani been earning money? Now let's see the last one and the 10th one, which is, how long have they been checking here? I repeat, how long have they been checking here? So these are the 10 sentences I have given you in this session related to how long phrase. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos, and please like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.